Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 6 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition. Okay, at page number 106. So in the part 1 we had already discussed about 1 up to 3. So if you have not watched the part 1, okay, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. So here turn page number 106. 4 number, change the voice in the following sentences from active to passive. Okay, so here the first question, I have taken some photographs of the event. So here the first you have to find out the subject, object and the tense. Okay, so here I have taken, here the subject is I. Okay, then here object is some photographs. Okay, then tense is present perfect. So you have to first find out the subject and also object, then the tense. Okay, so here while changing active into passive, the object in the active voice becomes a subject in the passive. Okay, so here some photographs. Okay, some photographs of the event have been taken by me. So you have to add by. Okay, agent I, so by me. Clear? The tense is present perfect, so you have to write have been taken. Clear? Then next question here, they invited us. Okay, so here the subject okay, subject they and object us, tense simple past, okay, invited. So here object in the active voice us becomes a subject in the passive voice, we. Okay, we are invited, here they subject becomes object in the passive voice. Okay, by them, we are invited by them. Okay, then next question here, the society runs this school. So the tense is simple present. Okay, so here subject is the society and object this school and tense simple present here runs. Okay, so here object in the active voice becomes subject in the passive. This school is run by the society. Okay, just you have to add by agent the society. Clear? Then next question here, okay, will someone receive me at the airport? So the sentence is written in yes no. First you have to change into affirmative sentence. Okay, so here someone will receive me at the airport. Okay, so first you have to change into affirmative, then here subject is someone, object me. Okay, then tense will receive, that means simple future. Okay, then you have to now change into passive. So I will be received by someone at the airport, or you can also write only I will be received at the airport. Okay, here someone means agent. Okay, if you want to write in agentless means agentless, you don't need to add by someone here. Okay, this is agentless. So here then you have to change into yes no. The question in active voice asks you in yes no format, so the passive should be written in yes no format. So here you will bring will to the beginning of the sentence. Will I be received by someone at the airport? Clear? So you have to first change into affirmative, then you have to change into passive, then interrogative passive. Clear? Then another question here, these assignments kept the students busy. Okay, so here here okay, object here the subject these assignments and object the students, and here verb simple past. Okay, so object in the active voice becomes subject the students. Okay, the students we are kept busy with these assignments. Don't write by, this will be wrong. Okay, with these assignments. Clear? Then next question here, students of class 6 are decorating the hall. So here okay, so here the object is hall, the hall. Okay, and subject students of class 6, and tense is are decorating means present progressive. Okay, so here the object in the active voice becomes subject in the passive. The hall, okay, is being decorated by the students of class 6. In progressive you have to add being. Just remember this, you have to use third form of the verb while changing active into passive. This is the most important point you have to remember. Okay, third form of the verb, that means past participle, always. Okay, past participle. So here decorated. Okay, past participle of decorate. Then next question here, Mrs. Ghosh is giving them directions. Okay, so here so the object is directions. Okay, so you can here there are two objects in this sentence. Them indirect object, directions direct object. So you can also passive can be also formed in two ways. So here the subject is Mrs. Kush and object directions and also them, and tense is used in present continuous. So two ways you can also write passive here. Directions are being given by Mrs. Kush, or you can also write here they are being, okay, they are being given. Always you have to remember, okay, you have to use always the third form of the verb while changing active into passive. They are being given, okay, directions by Mrs. Ghosh. The passive can be also formed in two ways, or there are two objects. Ditransitive verb here giving. Okay. Then next question here, I had checked everything. Okay, so here here the object is everything. Then subject is I. Okay, then tense past perfect had checked. So here object in the active becomes a subject in the passive voice. Everything, okay, had been checked by me. Agent I becomes here me, by me. Clear? Then next question here, she made this poster. Okay, she made this poster. So here here the object this poster, subject is she, and also tense is simple past, made v2. Okay, so here object in the active becomes a subject in the passive voice. This poster was made by her. She becomes her, by her. This poster was made by her. Clear? Then next question here, are we renovating our house? So just like here look at the question number D and also J. These questions are written in yes no. First you have to change into affirmative, then you have to change into passive. So here okay, first you have to change into affirmative. We are renovating our house. Okay, renovating. So here subject is we and object our house, and tense is used here, are renovating here. Okay, present continuous. Okay, so here first you have to change into passive. Our house is being renovated by us. Okay, our house is being renovated by us, but here the question asks in yes no format, so the passive should be written in yes no. Is our house being renovated by us? Okay, clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.